In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from GCash to Wise. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to tap, what details to enter, and what to expect after you hit send, so your money arrives smoothly in your Wise PHP balance. Start by opening your GCash app and heading to Transfer. From there, choose Bank Transfer, then pick Local or Local SAR Bank Transfer. This route sends money through the local rails, which is what Wise uses for fast deposits to your PHP balance. When you see the bank list, use the search bar and type Wise, then select Wise Pilipinas Inc. It may be listed under banks rather than e-wallets, so make sure you've got the correct entry. Picking the exact Wise Pilipinas Inc. option helps avoid misdirected transfers and delays. Next, enter the amount you want to send in Philippine pesos. Below the amount, you'll be asked for the account name and account number that you got from Wise. These are the local PHP details Wise provides for receiving transfers. Open your Wise app beforehand and copy the name and number exactly as shown to avoid mismatches. Make sure the account name matches what Wise displays, and that the account number has no extra spaces. If your Wise app shows any specific format or capitalization, follow it closely. This is the most important part to get right, so the funds land in your Wise PHP balance without a hiccup. Once everything looks correct, review the transfer summary and confirm. GCash charges a small fee for bank transfers, typically around 15 pesos per transaction, and you'll see that on the confirmation screen. Double-check the recipient name, account number, and the total amount including fees before you finalize. If you spot an error, go back and fix it now, because bank transfers are generally hard to reverse once sent. After you hit send, wait for the funds to arrive. These transfers are usually routed via InstaPay, which often credits within minutes. In some cases, it can take up to a couple of hours, especially during peak times or if there's routine system maintenance. You can keep an eye on your GCash transaction history for the reference number and check your Wise activity feed to see when the deposit posts. If it's been longer than expected, verify that the account name and number you used match your Wise details exactly, and contact support with your reference if needed. That's it. Open GCash. Pick Bank Transfer via Local, choose Wise Pilipinas Inc., enter the exact Wise account name and number with your amount, confirm with the small fee, and wait for InstaPay to deliver your funds to Wise.